Hey, and welcome to this video. You got
Mr.
and Mrs.
Smith.
Smith. And listen, you probably seen a Facebook status or a post somewhere saying you can get access to a do-it-yourself credit repair system for pennies. Or you probably saw a post saying you can get access to all of the credit dispute letters and repair your own credit without spending hundreds of dollars a month with someone else. So we're going to get straight to the point. Instead of making this video long and boring and drawn out and sending you a big presentation like we typically do, we're just going to give you an exclusive insider of what the system looks like. This is the My Credit system, and it is brought to you by a company called My Econ, which is the personal financial success company. We already have access, we already have our membership, and we're inside, we're logged in, and we're going to show you everything that this bad boy includes, okay? Let's get started. So the very first thing you see is the home page and an introductory video. Then you see where it says 750 credit plan. We're just going to hit enter. Now we are on the 750 credit plan membership course page. If you take a look at everything on my screen, you're going to see modules and they're numbered from 1 to 10. Let's check out some of these modules. Outside of the introduction, number 2 says obtain your credit report and credit scores. Number 3, how to read your credit report. 4, how to dispute items on your credit report, how to remove negative payment history, how to reduce credit utilization, how to add credit history, how to properly apply for new credit, how to get credit mixture, how to check disputes, and then you even get exclusive access to our income shifting membership. Now, these aren't just video tutorials, okay? You also have all of the credit dispute letters. I'm going to click on number 5, how to remove negative payment history, and show you exactly what we're talking about here. So outside of the video, if you keep scrolling, there's downloads. You have your credit dispute letters in PDF and document form, credit reporting statute of limitations, how to remove IRS tax liens from your credit report, how to remove medical collections. What about debt validation letters, okay? And on top of that, there's even some goodwill letters here where you're requesting for things to be removed from your credit report just because you've been a good customer. See, these are the things that people don't tell you about. Pay for delete letters. Everything is here. Now, typically, if you were paying somebody, you would send them all of your personal information, and they're basically just the middleman. They're actually sending off these same exact letters to repair your credit for you. Why not cut out the middleman and do it yourself? Because you now have access to everything that you need to better your own credit.
And this is what you have to understand. The importance of you understanding how to do this yourself. If your credit was to ever take a dip or a slip, you now know exactly what you need to do in order to restore your credit forever. If you have family members or offsprings that you want to make sure that their credit stays in tip-top shape, you know exactly what to do in order to make it happen, all because you've now acquired a new skill set. This skill set will allow you to use and leverage your credit to do bigger and better things. Another thing is it protects your personal information. With identity theft being one of the high crimes that are taking place during this era, a lot of people are losing their information and not knowing why. Well, when it's time to get your credit restored, many times your information is being shot in many different places because a lot of it is in digital form. They're emailing disputes. They're doing a lot of things that we don't recommend. But if you're doing it yourself, now you're able to protect your information and send it directly to those who need it. So just something else for you to consider. We made it simple. We made it plain. All you have to do is take the next step, get access, and take advantage.
All right. And another thing that we mentioned were some of the other financial tools that you'll have access to. So let us show you the other financial tools that's included in this membership. Okay. So I'm just going to hit the back button here. And I just want you to look at my screen. By joining this company, this is everything that you have access to. You can correct your tax withholdings, your W-4, tax record keeping, debt elimination. There's a debt elimination plan that is top of the line. You put in all of your debt, all of your current expenses. You make a list of all of your income that's coming in, and we're going to do what's called the debt snowball effect to help you eliminate your debt in half the time. There's the income shifting membership, meetings and events, because this is a nationwide company. So more than likely there's a meeting or an event coming up or somewhere near you that you can even attend to see how real this thing is. There's other financial tools here. You have documents that you can read over and you can apply. We take everything pertaining to the taxes directly from the IRS website. Let's click on the income shifting membership to see everything else that you have access to.
Absolutely. And you have two options, but we want to give you the option of the membership just so you can see. The My Credit System is what we've already gone over, and we showed you in great detail what all is entailed in there. The cash flow manager is your ability to manage your cash flow, set a budget, be able to track different things that may be coming in or coming out as it relates to your finances. It's loaded. Discount travel. Who doesn't like to save money when they travel? That's discounts on hotel, airfare, rentals, the whole nine, you name it, you get discounts because we're all about putting more money into your pocket. The debt elimination calculator, cashback mile is more opportunities for you to save money. You shop online, spend with yourself, and get cash back when you do. We show you how to correct your W-4, and we keep everything to where you're able to stay on track as it relates to year by year. Financial freedom videos. Everybody strives for financial freedom. So it's loaded with information that shows you how to become financially free by growing your own money. Tax record keeper videos, you name it. And not everything is something that you're ready for right now, but we take you step by step, pace by pace, so you can find yourself in the right place. That's all included in the membership if you decide.
Yes, and the last thing included in the membership that we want to go over with you is compensation. Yes, compensation. You can get paid while bettering your finances, and you can do that multiple different ways. One of the simplest ways is you can also expose this information to people that you know. When you really think about it, we all know people that want to better their finances, that wants to get out of debt, boost their credit, start investing, and make additional money right here from their smartphone, you guys. And you can most definitely do that by just, if you refer anybody else to the company, you can make that same exact status that I made, send them this same exact video, and guess what? When they grab their membership, you get paid. Now, we actually have two different options for you. There's the membership, which you hear us talking about, and then if you only want the My Credit System, if you only want the credit repair system by itself, you're looking at a one-time $119.95. $119.95 one time will get you access to all of the dispute letters that you saw in the My Credit System. But if you say, you know what? I want the whole shebang. I want everything. I don't just want the My Credit System. I want to utilize the other strategies and tools that you showed me, like the debt elimination. I want that discounted travel. And yeah, I know plenty of people that want to better their finances and boost their credit and just better their life for their family. Then you have the membership. We said pennies. I know you want to know how many pennies, right? Give them how many pennies.
So you can get started for literally $49.95. That's about 5,000 pennies. So that's not much at all. $49.95 puts you in the game. You get access to the membership. And then 30 days later, as you're liking and growing your credit, now you're able to just stay in the membership for $34.95. We show you how that can be tax deductible. In other words, how the government pays the bill. But if you just want access to it from a standpoint of bettering your own credit, getting access to everything, and really making sure that this year is your best year yet, then go ahead and tell us, look, I'm ready to roll, and we'll get you access to get started at this rate of $49.95 before the price increases above $100. So right now, you have the opportunity to save more than 50% just by getting started today.
All right, that's all we got, you guys. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, signing out.